Hi everybody. In this discussion, let's try to see that how to convert infix expression into postfix expression. Okay, so to convert infix expression to postfix expression, let's first try to understand what is infix expression, what is postfix expression. Then we'll be able to go to the actual answer to the question. Okay, infix is basically like you have operator which is in between the two operands. Okay, let's say like plus symbol is there, right? You will have a b in the left and right of it. Okay, so postfix. So postfix means simply you have left operand, right operand, and then operator will be there. So something like, let's say a plus b is something, you can represent like ab plus something like that. Okay, this is what first infix and postfix means. Okay, now we'll try to come up with an algorithm where we will be able to convert infix expression to postfix expression. Okay, now so see, the rules are this thing. Okay, whenever you are trying to evaluate it, the rules are like, first you need to have two stacks. Okay, one for keeping the postfix expression which we are building, and another for the temporary holding the items which are something you are not yet be able to post it to the postfix expression. Okay, okay, just try to understand why we need it. Okay, something like a plus b plus c into d kind of expression is there, right? Let's say you are building this expression, so you need to first evaluate this b plus c part, and then you need to multiply with d, and then you need to add with a. So that means when you are trying to have that expression being built, right, so it should be always in such a way that bc should be evaluated first, then only it can come to the next operation. So that is the reason there is a place where that a is being read, but we don't want to immediately get into the expression. Okay, so now let's try to do this thing. Okay, now let's try to draw a table. Okay, this table, let's say first part is just elements that are there in the expression. Okay, second part is the final postfix expression. Third part you can think of whatever the temporary stack. Okay, now whenever we are trying to build this thing, right, first thing we need to do is like we need to first add left parenthesis to the temporary stack. The reason is that whenever you are evaluating, right, every expression is something you can think like this. Okay, so what is the advantage of having this one is that whenever you are end with this expression, you wanted to try to evaluate till the previous open parenthesis. Okay, we are trying to start with open parenthesis so that it will be simply trying to say like, okay, this is the end for the expression, like that it is going to help. Okay, now let's try to put the elements. Okay, I said you start with this brace. Okay, now let's keep these elements in the red color. Okay, a, and then you have plus, and then you have braces, and then this one I will try to put it in blue color so that you won't get confused with the letter C. Okay, then braces, and then B, and then plus, and then C, and then again braces, okay, and then you have multiplication and then D. These are the things that are there. Okay, let's try to have the table being having that horizontal bars as well, so that it will be little easy for us to synchronize things. Okay, I'm just drawing the lines. Okay, fill this one as well, this one as well, this one as well, this one as well. Now if you just try to see that thing, okay, and also let's try to have the brace. Okay, now again blue color is the one we have to follow, right? Braces. Let's give this thing blue color. Okay, now what we are trying to do, so the rules are this thing. Okay, whenever you are trying to process these things, when you encounter operator, okay, you need to push it to the temporary stack. Okay, also when you encounter left parenthesis, then also you need to push it to the temporary stack. Whenever you get operand like A, B, C, right, then you need to push it to the postfix expression. Okay, that is the key idea here. Okay, let's try to build on top of it. Okay, now I will try to call this one. Okay, one more thing, sorry. So now when you have one more operation is end parenthesis comes, right, you need to pop whatever is there in that temporary stack and try to put it into postfix stack. Okay, let's call this as 1, 2, 3, 4 as the rules. Okay, now let's see. Okay, what is the first thing? When you get operand A, what we need to do? We need to push it to the postfix expression, that yellow line. Okay, let's try to do that one. I put it into here, A. Okay, what is there in the temp stack? Yes, whatever already there, which is the brace. Let the brace be there as is. Okay, we are not touching it. Okay, as part of this thing, we are just trying to put it into postfix expression. Now you got an operator. Okay, what is the first rule? We need to put it into the temp stack, right? So when you have to put that into the temp stack, that means you need to put this one here. Second, you need to put this operator here, and then put that plus also here. Okay, now you get a brace, which is open brace. What we said, when you get open brace, that also needs to go to the temporary holding stack. Okay, so let's move that one also the temporary holding stack. Okay, and then plus, and then brace. Okay, so at this point of time, no change to the postfix, right? Let me try to write whatever is there in the postfix as is. Okay, actually I should be able to write this A continuously till the end, because that is already in the postfix. We are not going to remove anything from the postfix. Okay, that A will be there all the way till the end. Okay, now I got B. Okay, in this step I am there. Okay, what is that thing? Whenever I get operand, that yellow line, I need to push it to the postfix. Okay, no change. I'll just use same. Okay, so I just keep it this way. Okay, now plus. Okay, operator came into picture. Okay, so before this one, this becomes AB, right? Let's keep this AB as is. Okay, you got operator. When you get operator, what is that? We need to again put it into the temporary stack. Okay, so temporary stack we need to put it. Okay, let's put it. Okay, C plus and then this operator, which is in blue color. Let me write that thing. Okay, so C plus C, braces, open braces plus open braces. Okay, now open braces plus open braces plus. Okay, now next thing is you got where here. Okay, you got C. C means which is operator. Operator you need to, you got operand. C is operand. So you need to push it into the postfix, right? So let's push into the postfix. Here no change. Okay. Now the next thing what it is, you got right parenthesis. So when you get right parenthesis, what you need to do? You need to push that into the temp holding, and then you should directly go to the temp holding and then remove the elements. Remove in the sense like pop the element till you get the left parenthesis. You get right parenthesis, right? Till you get left parenthesis, you need to pop it. Okay. Now let's see. Okay, this is the expression you have, right? Okay, let's try to see. See, you already have plus. Okay, and then the left parenthesis is this one. That means you need to remove up to this part. Okay, and add it here. Okay, you don't add parenthesis. So as we said, we just need to add only operator. Okay, parenthesis are just for the giving the precedence. That's all. Okay, now one more thing is that I did not written the C again, right? So let me put the C as well. Okay, now plus is the one need to be added. Okay, now plus. Okay, now let's see. I got star, which is for the multiplication. Okay, when you get multiplication, what you need to do? Okay, let me try to write the previous step. What is left here? Okay, so the blue one, which is the braces, and then red one, which is the plus, which is already there, and then we remove these two yellow parts. Okay, now at this point of time you have plus and braces are there, right? So now you got a star, okay, which is multiplication. So as per the rule operator, you need to put it into temp holding. Okay, you will try to put that into the temp holding as is. Okay, now you got operand. Okay, when you get operand, what we have to do? Operand means you need to push it to the postfix. Okay, let's push it to the postfix. Okay, now at this point of time, what you have here, same thing what is there is here. Okay, now you encountered right parenthesis. Whenever you encounter right parenthesis, what you need to do? You need to take all the elements that are there in the temp stack till you get this left parenthesis, and then pop it into here. Okay, then what it becomes? A, B, C plus D multiplication and then plus. Okay, so this is the expression once you convert this one. Okay, what it means? Like A, B, C plus D star plus. Okay,